Ini guys, bodinya ini metal. Habis itu base plate-nya ini plastik guys. Tapi lumayan berat, bagus. Sekarang McLaren 72 OS. Halo guys, hari ini aku bakal unboxing 5 mobil ini. Yang pertama nih guys, ada Audi Sport Quattro, McLaren 72 OS, Porsche 918 Spider, Aston Martin Vulcan, Custom One Acura Integra GSR. Oh ya guys, yang ini 3 nih guys. Aku pas itu emang lagi nyari, habis itu ketemu 3-3-nya dalam satu mall. Nah itu guys, jadinya kayak wow. Yang ini aku juga nyari, habis itu di salah satu Indomaret ketemu. Kalau yang ini juga di Indomaret guys. Juga lagi nyari. Oke guys, kita langsung aja book nih guys. Nih guys, ini dulu. Ini guys, bodinya ini metal. Habis itu base plate-nya ini plastik guys. Tapi lumayan berat, bagus. Sekarang McLaren 72 OS. Kak. McLaren 72 OS man. This is the McLaren name, and its body is metal, plastic, not too heavy, but cool. Porsche 918 Spider. Okay, let's open. This is the 918 Spider. Oh my god. Falls right off. This is the Porsche. I like this Porsche because it kind of looks like Ferrari. Yeah. Okay. This is plastic. And the body is metal too. So far so good. Metal all. Aston Martin Vulcan. Yes. I like this car because it's like the red stripes, like making it like looks more incredibly good. Here, spoilers is very cool. Oh yeah guys, after this video I'm gonna make the review of these cars, so when I post that one, don't forget to watch. Oh yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video when you guys already done watching this. Integra. Ooh, so sick, man. This is very cool. Cool looking car. I always love Acura. Okay, guys, this is the 5 cars that I unboxed. It's pretty cool. Like, I love all these brands. Like Keren. Yeah, but I'm not lucky that I don't get the Lamborghini, the Fast and Furious one. Yeah, the Fast and Furious Lamborghini, because I like that one. White Lamborghini. Yeah, white Lamborghini. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!